Relating to reasonings and proofs, Chapter 2. In this video, we will be going over 2-4, which is deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning, 2-6, algebraic reasoning, and 2-8, proving angle relationships.
Inductive and deductive reasoning make up conjectures which require the laws of detachment and syllogism to prove.
Now it's time for some practice problems from both pages 122 and 124. For numbers 10 and 11, determine whether each conclusion is based on inductive or deductive reasoning. For number 35, draw a valid conclusion from the given statements, if possible. Then state whether your conclusion was drawn by using the law of detachment or the law of syllogism. If no valid conclusions are drawn, write no valid conclusion and explain your reasoning.
An algebraic proof is made up of a series of algebraic statements. The two types of proofs are two-column proofs and paragraph proofs.
Now, we're going to teach you how to write a geometric proof. And here's a tip for you guys. Since geometry also uses variables, numbers, and operations, many of the properties of equality used in algebra are also true in geometry.
A practice problem for book page 140, number 18. Complete the two-column proof with the given statements.
Now we're going to teach you how to prove angle relationships. Algebraic properties can be applied to prove theorems for congruence relationships involving supplementary and complementary angles. The two theorems that you use for this are congruent supplement theorem or congruent complement theorems.
Here's a practice problem from book page 154, example 3. Prove that the vertical angles 2 and 4 are congruent.
Were you kids paying attention? Well, here's a little recap for you. The first thing we went over was inductive and deductive reasoning, which uses the law of detachment and the law of syllogism to prove a conjecture. The second thing we went over was algebraic reasoning. There are two types of proofs, paragraph proofs and two-column proofs. Both are made up of a series of algebraic statements. The last thing we went over was proving angle relationships. By using algebra, we can prove angles congruent based on supplementary and complementary angles. Thank you! Good luck on that midterm. You're gonna crush it.